Hello everyone, welcome back to our new episode of Data Diaries, where we explore the data qualities in healthcare. And today we are diving into the best practices and tools to maintain the high data quality. So Abhijit, where do we begin?
Hello Surbi, it's good to continue our discussion, and let me start with data governance today. So data governance is all about capturing data ownership, data quality, security and privacy, metadata management, and data lifecycle management.
Okay, that makes sense. Then what comes next?
So remember I discussed with you about data automation?
Yeah.
Yes. So next step is data automation. What data automation does, it uses technology to get all the data without manual intervention. Because collection, management and transformation without the actual manual intervention is automation.
Okay, and for ensuring accuracy?
For Databricks, I'll say, because Databricks combines data engineering, data science and business analytics to give you the right set of solutions for the data quality.
Okay, and then what about from where we are tracking our data?
So if you remember, Surbi, last time when we were talking about data, I gave you the terms structured and unstructured data.
Yes.
Here the next tool comes, Azure Blob Storage.
Okay.
The role of Azure Blob Storage is to transform all these structured and unstructured data, compile them and give it into a right format. That also gives a lot of enhancement on data quality.
Okay, Abhijit. So that's a game changer, right? So what's the final recommendation to the viewers?
Let's say if you are working with a team, a regular audit is very much required. Team updates on data security, data governance, and regular reporting on these plays a crucial role.
Okay, guys, that's a wrap up over this episode. See you in next episode. Stay tuned.